Welcome to 2-minute classes. We are going to have a look at example for loop. Okay. So the example which I have taken is printing the table of 2. Okay. So the function will look like this for I in range. Okay. So we all know that table of a number starts from suppose 2 into 1 till 2 into 10. So I want the values of I to go from 1 to 10. Okay. So by default we know that range function starts from 0. So I have given the starting value as 1. And it will end at n minus 1. So if I would have given 10, it will go only till 9. So in order to go it till 10, I have taken the last value of till 11. And by default it will increment by 1. So I need not to give the step size. Okay. Over here I have printed 2 into I. So whatever you have written in double quotes, it will be printed as it is. So it will print 2 into. When you are not using double quotes, it will print the value of I. So the value of I will be going to be from 1, 2, 3, 4 till 10. Then again I have printed double quotes equal to in double quotes, so it will print equal to as it is. Then I have printed 2 into I without double quotes, so it will do multiplication of 2 with the value of I. Okay, so let us execute this example. When I will begin, the value of I will be 1. Then it will print 2 into as it is. Value of I will be 1 equal to as it is. Then 2 into I, it will perform 2 into I, that means 2 into 1, it will print 2. After this it will increase I's value is going to be 2. Then it will print 2 into, value of I is 2. Then it will print 2 into I, that is 4. Then value of I will be 3. Then it will print 2 into as it is. Then value of I is 3 equal to as it is, and then 6. Okay, again it will print 2 into, value of I is 4 equal to as it is, then 2 into I, that is 2 into 4, 8. Okay, so it will continue like this. At the end it will print 2 into 10 equal to 20. After this the value of I will become 11, then it will stop.